Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Howard Leo, a community manager here at Snowflake, and we're here at Snowflake Summit 2022. And I'm here at the Data Heroes Hub with our data superhero, Simeon Pilgrim. Simeon, you have been chosen as a data superhero because of your powers in the Snowflake community, but mainly also because you've answered all the questions in Stack Overflow. Is that correct?
A large number of the questions, but I wouldn't say all. Yeah, I really enjoy the process of answering people's questions. I learned so much from Stack Overflow and other resources like that in my pre-days, so it's just really nice to give back. It's also a really fun way to, it's a puzzle, it's a game, so you end up getting the puzzle. What are they asking? What word do they not understand? What are they missing? Because so often when you're trying to ask a question, you don't know the magic word. So if you know the magic word, you can Google it and you get all the help. But when you don't know the magic word, you don't know what to say. So the puzzle is to read the question and understand what is this person really trying to do and how can I explain it and give them links to help pages and resources that will help them do what they really want to do. It's satisfying. And then they say thank you and you're like, yes, another one done. It's a really good game.
Another selected as best answer as possible. Awesome.
Exactly.
And have you met a lot of great other members of the community through Stack Overflow?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's like I enjoy answering questions, but I've learned so much from other people. There's some other people here are data heroes as well. I've learned so much from them. You get to a question, you come a bit late to get that perfect first answer, and you're like, wow, that's a really good, I didn't know you could do that. So it's just, I learn all the time. Or you have a weird question, you're like, I'm sure there's a function that does this. I'm sure I could use that function slightly incorrectly and it would get the result they want. So you dig through the manual, you find a new function that's new, you missed in the release notes, and you're like, oh wow, that's really cool. That completely nails what this person wants. So my arsenal has always been built up by reading the manual, working out new questions and learning from other people as well. So I just really enjoyed it. Just brings me a lot of joy.
No, we love that spirit of a data superhero, helping the community, finding the answers, and also giving each other props, helping others lift up with the problems that they encounter. So, hey, but this is a good segue. We know Stack Overflow is a great resource, but can you tell me about your thoughts about the new Community 2.0 launch and with the forums?
Yeah, I'm actually really excited about that. Stack Overflow is a really wonderful place to answer technical questions. How do I do this? Why is this not working? What's the thing I'm missing? But there's a lot of users who are like, hi, I'm new. What should I do? Can you give me a recommendation? And those questions get shot down a little bit too aggressively on Stack Overflow, and it's really not a nice new customer experience. So the new forum, I'm really excited about. It's got a lot of areas for people to learn the type of things and work on the products and their specialty, their area, their focus, and it's a wonderful resource. So it's just been released a week or two ago.
2 weeks, yeah.
It's really exciting to see it there. There's good questions coming in already. Getting involved is a really nice resource, and it's good to have somewhere where it can be more low-key and less racing to get an answer. You're helping. It's more a helping.
I really liked what you said. We want to help all Snowflake customers in their journey. Some, you may be a little bit more technical advanced. Some you may be new. We want to try to help address everyone in their different stages. And so that's really great, encouraging to hear. Please check out the community.snowflake.com. We will always have new forums and new different boards for all these new announcements that we've made here at Snowflake Summit. Python, we got Unistore later, so a lot of great stuff coming later. So Simeon, hey, I don't want to put you on the spot to brag, but what exciting things have you been working with on Snowflake? You want to talk about and share with the audience?
Yeah, cool. So we originally jumped on Snowflake 2016, and it just really, in that classic data warehouse phase, it was just like, oh my God, it just saved our bacon. It was just the scaling and the dynamic loads and the compute. We really just loved it. We started putting our data into it, data lake style, and we realized we could actually do half our BI pipeline or all of it in SQL in the cloud, and we ended up finding that it was cheaper and faster. The latency was really low compared to pulling data out, putting data in, pulling data out, and it was just revolutionary for us. And it was really lovely to be able to do things where you're like, oh, there's a mistake. And that used to take a long time to run because you're running on fixed infrastructure. All of a sudden, you just get a bigger warehouse, a much bigger warehouse, and you fix the problem now. It was just having that untapped power that you can just slide all the way to the right and just like, I need power now. And then you put it away and you're done. It was just, so there's some really beautiful things we did. We did some geospatial stuff where we were doing syncing of a whole lot of data streams and merging it. And then we realized that actually we can reduce the streams, reduce the workload, and actually just do all the polygon intersection stuff. Then you guys released your geospatial features, and it's like, oh wow, all that work no longer needed. But we could always solve problems. So it's just been a dynamically wonderful platform for us to solve problems on.
All right, no, that's really great to hear. And now we'll pivot to maybe a new thing. What's something that was announced this week that really got you excited, and you're definitely going to see future use cases going forward?
Oh yeah, so Unistore is the thing that I'm just really excited about.
I figured.
We have the engagement I'm currently with. There's a need for low latency insertion and reads, and it's just really exciting to see that because it's just like, oh, I've been waiting for this. This is just, it's the magic bullet. It's like before we were needing to just like, no, we can't do that right now, and now it's just like, oh, I can't wait for this to come out. It's just, proof of concepts will just be delicious.
That's awesome. And hey, always great to be in person. Always great to, we just celebrated a Data Superhero party yesterday. We were on the dance floor having some sweet moves. I can't wait for the party later today.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks a lot, Simeon. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Howard.
Take care, everyone.